It's day 19 of Maker Advent, and that means we're opening another box from the Pi Hut's Maker Advent calendar. I've got it in my hands right now. It's a black box. Guess the 90s reference for that one. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. That was a nice sound. Standard plastic bag, but there's some rather large black things in there. Anyway, resistor, which looking on the paperwork says 10k. Some wires and 2 sensors. Now these look like some sort of infrared or beam sensor. I wonder, could they be beam sensors? Oh look, Breaking Beams. No, it's not a sequel to Breaking Bad. That's Better Call Saul. Disclaimer, I haven't seen any of them. No idea what's going on. So let's have a look what we've got. So we've got Breaking Beams. So what do we get? We get one custom break beam sensor, emitter and receiver with male jumper wire ends, a 10k resistor, and 4 times male to male jumper wires. And that's what they look like in the flesh. Interesting. So break beam sensors are almost like the start gates or the end gates on a race. So you can use it to time when someone goes through a gate and set like a marker, so you can say, right, it started at this time, finish at this time, do the maths, there you go, it's how long it took. That is pretty cool. The brake beam sensor in your box comes with 2 parts, the emitter, 2 wires, and the receiver, 3 wires. So emitter 2, receiver 3. A football results, isn't it? The emitter sends an infrared light out, which is detected by the receiver, which keeps the white signal pin high. If someone breaks this beam, so get in the way of it, it says, the receiver does not detect the signal and then sends the pin low. So we're going to tell our code to look for a low signal. So these work well when placed 20 to 25 centimeters apart, and it can be unreliable outside of that range. Okay. So the circuit's going to use the base circuit we've been using since day 2 now. We're going to wire it up to a second breadboard. Okay, and we use the 10k resist between the 3.3 volt red leg and the white pin. So we're going to pull up the receiver and then wire it into the main breadboard. That looks like it's pretty easy to do. So let's get cracking. One moment please. Okay, the circuit has been built. We've got the emitter on this side and the receiver on this side, all wired up, easy peasy. I've also, you don't get it in the box, but if you're going to do this on a desk, blue tack, lots of blue tack to hold it in place. So let's have a look at the demo code. Just going to go through one demo today. The 2 additional demos we've got for this examples are quite large, really interesting to find out for yourself. Have a look. Start off as normal. We've got 2 imports from machine import pin, so GPIO access, and import time to add delays to our code. Create an object called beam. Beam is our connection to GPIO, and we're back to pin 26. It's an input pin, and we're going to pull that pin down. While true, run forever. So yeah, just keep doing this. Wait for 0.1 of a second. If the beam has been broken, so 0, print beam broken. That's it. So let's make sure it's stopped and let's run it. Right now the beam hasn't been broken, so the value of the GPIO pin is 1. So there, it's 1 right now. When I break it, it goes from a high to a low signal on that pin, and it's going to make it say beam broken. So 3, 2, 1. There we go. Beam broken. That is nice and easy. Really easy. Good little sensor. So you can use it to time your toy cars on a track, your scale electrics, how fast your cat can run, anything like that really. How fast can a banana fly through the air? We just really don't know all these things. But day 10 has proven to be a great day. We get some interesting new sensors to play with, which adds up to the previous day's sensors we've got, which have been fantastic. And again, 40 quid for this kit is decent value. You get it all ready to go. You've got the instructions there. It's nicely packaged. The Pico's been pre-soldered. All done and dusted. Just give it to someone and let them have fun. But yeah, great fun. And that's it for today. See you later.